Hey guys, Gary G with Stay Slick Auto Detail in Fresno, California, back again, and today I'm going to bring you my packages and pricing.
Alright, so what is your starting package?
Starting package is just an exterior wash, really. I wouldn't say it's a package. I almost never get just an exterior wash.
Okay.
But price for that for small cars and sedans is $40, $50 for bigger trucks and lifted vehicles, SUVs.
So what is like that consist of?
That consists of deep cleaning the wheels, tires, wheel wells. It's going to be full exterior wash, foam cannon 2-bucket method. It's going to be cleaning the door jambs, exterior glass, tire shine, and if they want to, they can pay for the spray paint sealant. Otherwise, they could just have the regular wash.
Okay. Yep. What's your next package?
Next package up from that is what I would call my express detail or express exterior, which is the same exact wash on the outside, but it's going to be the interior as well. So this would be like the same thing that would be included in a maintenance plan, minus the spray and paint sealant. So on the inside we do vacuum, wipe down, interior glass clean, door jambs as well. That's the outside wash.
Do you have any other package besides that one, or?
Yep, I got a few other packages.
Okay. What's the next one?
So next one up, exterior-wise, is just a wash and wax.
Okay.
Which would be the same express wash that I do, but then I go in with the clay bar. I also do all-purpose cleaner rinse, APC rinse, right? So I'd super clean the whole vehicle before I would clay bar if needed, and then after that I would wash it, and then I would do a machine-applied a machine-applied paint sealant. So like the Jescar Power Lock we talked about, or something along that lines.
Yeah.
Should last them about 4 to 6 months. That's what I'd like to advertise.
Okay. And after that one, you said maybe one more package, or is that it?
I got a few more. That one is $150 for cars, $200 for trucks. And then if you want to step up to something interior wise, you'd have like a mini interior. Is my express interior plus steam cleaning plastic surfaces.
Okay.
So I just got done doing that the other day for someone who just got over COVID. It seems like that's what the people that get that package is. They want to sanitize the vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that one is like it's like $100 to $120 usually. Sometimes as high as $150 depending on condition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we were actually talking about this before about your prices, right? Mm-hmm. Have you had to change your prices, lower them, or raise them at all, or are you planning to?
Yeah. When I started 4.5 months ago as a business, so it hasn't been that long. But when I first started out, I was doing, like almost a full exterior for $80, instead of for like $150 or $200. So it really was just making sure my quality and prices matched each other. So I just kind of did more research of the people in the area and what I can charge and the quality that I need to bring in order to charge that.
Okay.
So, but yeah, probably next year I'm gonna have to raise prices. Everything's going up. That's just the way it is.
Now, what are you expecting as far as like your customers? Like, are you expecting them to understand what's going on, or maybe some of them are gonna leave and be mad at you?
I think I'll have a little bit of both.
Okay.
I think some people are paying this price because they see that it's worth it to them. Mm-hmm. And they may not necessarily think that a detail service is worth more than that. So I think I'll have both. But I have some clients I know for a fact it's really important to them and they value detail. Yeah. So they'll stick with me. Okay. I know they will.
When it comes to like the packages and things like that, if you see that your customer comes and asks for a package that they don't need, do you like kind of educate them, or do you just give them what they want?
I always recommend what's best. I just had one the other day, the one I did the COVID cleaning on really needed a full detail, so it wasn't necessarily just me trying to upsell them, it needed it. Yeah. They didn't want it, so I gave them what they wanted. And there's also been people that want a full detail and it's really clean. Yeah. And you kind of feel bad. You're like, are you sure you want I could do this? And they say, no, I want you to do the full deal. Okay, well, I'll do it for you. Okay. If you want me to, I'll charge you for it.
So then you do educate them and you tell them like, hey, this is what I recommend. Yeah. And if they still want to go for like a full detail, then it is what it is, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to try to price gouge anybody.
Yeah. Okay, now, what do you do when a customer is asking you for a discount? Because I know we're in Fresno, bro. I know you get those.
Oh yeah. I did a video on my YouTube where I talked about price shoppers versus value shoppers. Yeah. And it happens all the time. Usually when people call and they answer the phone, I'm just looking for a price for a simple wash. I already know that this conversation is not going to go very well. They're thinking they're calling a car wash service. They're calling a detailer.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So do you spend your time with like when you get a call like that?
Yeah, I give everybody the same respect.
Okay.
I'll tell them
Okay.
what my entry level is. I'll tell them what the requirements are, that they have to at least have a vehicle that's somewhat clean
Yeah.
to get an express wash. But a lot of times those customers end up either not liking the price or just seem a little on the fence. So I always refer them to my website to get all my packaging.
Okay.
9 times out of 10, they never call back.
Yeah.
But there is that one that checks it out and says, hey, you know, I actually am interested in this.
Now, do you offer discounts for multiple vehicles? Like, let's say it's a family that has like 3-4 vehicles.
When I first started, I did. But
Okay.
I learned
You learn?
I learned not to devalue my service.
Okay.
And I
There
also
you go.
learned, and I feel this very strongly, there's a lot of detailers around here that are doing ceramic coatings for half the price.
Uh-huh.
They're hurting the industry
Why?
because there is a certain level of skill and responsibility and expertise that comes into making this happen for your customers and doing it right. And I feel like when these guys come in here and they do their service for $500 as opposed to $1,000, they're making every other person out here look bad.
Yeah.
When in fact that's actually what it costs. And I understand they're doing it because they want to get more customers, but they're not doing themselves a service and they're doing us a disservice.
Now, seeing kind of like where everything's at right now, is there any packages that maybe you might add or you might take away?
I thought about simplifying things.
Okay.
I watch a lot of other detailers, and I DM, a lot of detailers, and it seems like it's good to have 1-2 max per area. So like maybe just 2 options for interior, maybe just 1 or 2 options for exterior, and then there's add-on services. So like I do everything up to paint correction, 2-stage ceramic coatings. I do it all. So those are separate services, but my packages are the one that I had mentioned. So the last package, I would say, like normal packages, would be my full inside and out, which I call basically the full vehicle reset. And that starts at $300 for cars, about $375 for trucks and things that are bigger. It can go up from there based on condition, but that includes everything from the full interior detail, carpet extraction, steam cleaning, scrubbing all the panels down, the full 9. And then it also includes an exterior, which is going to be like a wash and wax package on top of that. So it's the wash, it's the decontamination clay bar, it's going to be a wax or sealant that lasts up to 4 to 6 months. And I believe that covers it all. Yeah. All right, guys, there you have it. I gave you my prices and packages, add-on services, everything that I offer. If you guys have any questions about that, you can leave comments down below, or you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Stay Slick Auto Detail. I have my own YouTube channel where I show all my work and what I can do. It's just called Stay Slick. But make sure you subscribe to this channel and that you keep looking at this channel and checking out content.